Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks, my friend. Have you ever thought of putting grape juice in your toilet? If you have not tried this, you definitely need to give it a whirl, especially if you have pink stains and rings, hard water spots. Go ahead, dump a generous amount of that grape juice inside of your toilet. And the next thing that I like to do is just go ahead and take your toilet brush, because you want to get this in and around all the places where you have a lot of grime and gunk, and I'll talk about why this works here in just a hot second. Now I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes. You do not want to let it sit for too long. If you do, I have a little trick for you. The same reason that we use grape juice is often the same reason that you have seen people dump Coke or Kool-Aid inside of their toilet. Let us know in that comments box below before I tell you why this can be so helpful and effective when it comes to actually cleaning your toilet. All right, that's been sitting for about 10 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and give this a good flush. And we can see there is no staining with it sitting in there. Now, if I had let this sit overnight, there may be just a slight tinge of grape juice in here. Now, why does that work so well? Ooh, one little trick here I want to show you. Grab yourself some shaving cream. If you find additional staining on your toilet, you're going to put it in and around the staining of your toilet. This works well because it contains alcohol and it sticks so well to the sides of stains. So this is definitely going to help with your whitening and any additional staining that the grape juice did not pick up for you. That's really satisfying. Can I just say that right here? Not only is it disinfecting your toilet, it smells fresh. It's amazing. We're going to let that one sit for just a little bit longer too. And my toilet brush is getting cleaned all at the same time. This contains tartaric acid and L-malic acid. Just like in vinegar, it contains acid. So that's why you'll often see weird things like this to clean your toilet. But if you are in a pinch, you are camping, you are somewhere, and you do not have regular old toilet bowl cleaner, get yourself some shaving cream or some good old grape juice, and that will do the trick. Let me know if you tried this in that comments box below. Give the video a thumbs up. Click this video on screen now for some additional cleaning and life hacks, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.